Choose the correct option. C. There are Shaila's and Iram's result cards. Pick the correct option. Seven students' results are still awaited. Which punctuation mark will be used to separate both the clauses in the following sentence? The gang was rounded up the raid, the leader escaped. D. 15 minutes dash allowed to each speaker. Is allowed. Pick the correct option. A. The Three Musketeers was written by Dumas. Pick the correct option. A. The first space travel was Dennis Tito from the United States. Choose the correct passive voice. How did she defraud him of his savings? C. How was he defrauded of his savings? Choose the correct sentence. He opened the square red wooden box. Choose the correct option. The rehearsal session started and we have little time to spare for other activities. The word labyrinth means maze. Find out antonym of mumbled. Loud. I can't walk dash. Further. Can you tell this fact dash his face? To his face. They have painted their house purple. The sentence is an example of complex transitive. He was killed dash robbers dash a hatchet. By robbers with a. Choose the correct option. Well, no, perhaps not, sir. Lions, like any other carnivores, dash on meats. Live on meats. The cattle dash away the crops. Have eaten away. These are old, those are new. B. Ahmed carried out his duty according dash instruction. According to instructions.